Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today is a Diamond Art Club unboxing. It's a round diamond. We're just gonna get into it. This is one of the Camilla d'Erico pieces I've been waiting for it to restock. It's called Rosea sticker. I've been waiting quite a couple months for this to restock, and I heard word that it was restocking in February. Not my favorite washi tape. It's all brown. Yuck. I'm sure I'll find use for it somewhere. Reminder, and the usuals. I usually just show the cover minder and washi because that's what always changes. Okay, let's get into the canvas. I've really been waiting on this anxiously. It is huge. I honestly, I'm going to be quite frank with you. I didn't know how big it was. I haven't been paying attention. Here she is. So it's a 55.8 by 70.6. So it's the bigums. 22 by 28. 62 colors. So... and it has the perforated cover sheet. So she's got a flamingo, praying mantis, some moths, bird, axolotl, and her with the pink hair and the pink outfit and the pink background. This would have been really great for Pretty in Pink, but unfortunately she didn't restock till like a week or two ago, so it's a little too late now. I don't want to be starting this. Also, I am waiting for somebody else to get this. We might be doing this canvas together. Well, we shall see. It's up for discussion. There is one fairy dust drill and 3 ABs. Isn't she cute? She's cute. And look at all these pinks and reds and burgundies. Looks like there's a red AB from what I can see. This is just so neatly packed. I'm just not going to bother. I'm not going to bother. But it is just all pink. I love it. Even her skin tone's a little peachy. So yeah, you guys. The ABs and the fairy dust will just be a surprise for when I work on her. I'm sorry I'm not showing you the drills, but they just packed them so nice. I really don't want to open them up and re-attempt to get them back in like that. I don't know if I like these perforated cover sheet. Well, I mean, regardless, I take the cover sheet off. I use release papers. But yeah, this is what I've been waiting on. There is another one with an axolotl. That's by Diamond Art Club, but I'm in really no hurry to get that one. I also saw it as a knockoff, so quite frankly, if I can't get it on Diamond Art Club, I might just buy the knockoff. Lots of color blocking in the background, confetti in her hair. This line blocking, not my favorite. Color blocking in the axolotl, confetti and a little bit of color blocking in the moth, line blocking and stuff in the praying mantis and in the flamingo. So have a little bit of everything. I'm going to be able to color block my heart out on this background. It is straight just one color pink. It's one symbol, except for a couple areas. And those areas are just color blocking too. Ah, she's so beautiful, you guys. I'm really, really excited. This completes my collection because other than the axolotl painting that's by Camilla on Diamond Art Club, there are no more. I have all her paintings. So yeah, you guys. I wish Diamond Art Club would come out with more, but you know, it's got to be their choice, I guess, to do more of the artist's work. I don't know who makes that decision, but if they ever saw this, I hope you guys would bring out more of Camilla's work, because it's really pretty. Just gonna try to release this a little bit because she's gonna go under the mattress until I'm ready for her. Okay, guys, so that's Rosea. I hope you enjoyed seeing this pretty in pink, this all pink canvas. And if you enjoying the content on my channel, then like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. If you're returning, thank you for returning and your continued support. So without further ado, I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.